learn about how to extract stock price for a particular date and as well as stock price for a particular stock. Let's jump into the topic. So first thing we have to give equal to stock history function. Click on tab, then select which stock we want, then comma, we have to go select date. So we want for 18/10/24 date. Click on here, comma, no need of enter date, end date, comma, no need of days, weeks, month, we just need for a particular date. So comma, then no need of headers, give tab, close the bracket. So you can see this is a function. Okay, before pressing enter, we have to give freeze for this column. So we are giving freeze for this cell. Okay, so then we got stock price for Reliance Industry for 10/18 date, 10th month and 24th year. Okay, after that we can drag down here, so we can see the results. So for these 10 stocks for this particular date, for 18th date, we got this is a stock price. Okay, this is for particular date stock price. Let's come to the second topic. This is for we want to find out the stock price for Reliance Industry for dates from 1st to 18th. Okay, so as well as in this formula we'll get the results like close price, open price, high, low and volume for a particular stock. Okay, to get that one, same formula we have to use, like equal to stock history function, then we have to select the stock, then comma, what is the starting date? This is 1st/10/24, we have to click here, comma, click here for the second end date. So here we have used end date, starting date and ending date for end of the date. Okay, comma. So in what type we need, we have like three options: daily, weekly, monthly. So we need for daily, tap on daily, comma, then we have three things: no header, show headers and show instruments identifier. So we'll clicking on show headers, comma, then we need date, comma, as well as we need close price, comma, we are just clicking down, that's it. And we need open price, comma, we need high, we need low of the price stock, and we need volume, then close the bracket. Okay, then enter. So now you can see here, this is date, close, open, high, low and volume for a particular stock for Reliance Industry.